Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Kantar off campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is software engineer, and the job type, it is full time, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for 0 to 1 years of experience, and the job location or the work location, it is Bangalore, that is India, and the salary or the CTC, it is 5 lakhs per annum for the freshers, and the service agreement, there is no service agreement for this particular job role. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BA or BTech or MCA graduates are eligible to apply, and the batch or the year of passout, it is either 2020 or 2021, and the percentage criteria, it should be 60% throughout in 10th, 12th as well as in graduation. So the next thing is the technical skills that are needed for the job role. You need to have knowledge of at least one of the programming language, such as it can be C or C++, Java or .NET. So you need to be good in coding on either of these programming language, as well as good understanding of data structures and algorithms, and also knowledge of database, that is relational database management system, that is RDBMS, and also effective communication skills is preferred. So this is the overall technical skills that are needed for the job role. So then coming to the selection process, there are three different rounds. So the first round is the online written test, and the second round is the technical interview, and the third round is the HR interview. So all the rounds will be conducted online itself. So then coming to the test pattern, so the test platform, it is through My Anatomy platform. So the test will be conducted on this platform, that is My Anatomy, and the duration of the test, it is 1 hour 45 minutes, and the programming language preferred for coding, so any programming language is preferred. You can choose any of the programming language for coding, and the various topics that will be asked are like for the aptitude part, there will be MCQ related to quantitative aptitude, reading comprehension, that is verbal, and there will be MCQ related to logical reasoning and data interpretation. And regarding technical part, so there will be MCQ related to data structures and algorithms, so databases, that is SQL, as well as object oriented programming, so MCQ related to Java or any object oriented programming, and there will be coding questions in which you can code in any of the programming language. So this is the overall test pattern and the topics that are included. So then coming to the application link, it's a Google document form wherein you can fill your basic details, your name, your current location, everything, and then after that you can submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.